What's up everybody, Lycan-Strife here, Rebel Drifter, and today we're here with a combination, or collaboration I should say, from CloudCl and Starpery. She just came in today, we checked the box, there's no really big damage going on. There's a couple of hook strains on the right side over here, there is a little bit of damage here, and you can see that they have kicked her around back and forth. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. They also have what competitors have as well, the PC foam, which is really nice. As you can see, that this is just a big lump of foam. And we are being greeted by a very well-packed lady. All right, so this is how she looks inside her coffin. Very nicely packed, feet very well secured. It seems that if I go over to the neck area, there we go. Okay, so the neck has been moved, but nothing really bad. So maybe we can just gently pull it back so that the creases go out of here. There you go. Should be good right now. And yeah, everything else seems to be in order. The head is over here. The accessory box is over here. And yeah, seems to be good. Good job, CloudCl and Starpery. So you have your standard water bottle, you have your warming wand, you have a very nice looking luxury type comb. I think these are little socks. These are silicone socks for if you really want to have protected her feet. That's pretty cool. I've never seen those before, never had them. You have your gloves once more. And of course your standard, but also cool pink lingerie. And then we have your Starpery doll instruction version 3.0. There you go. And this is from August 19th in 2024. So it's a pretty recent iteration. It tells us what we can do with the doll, what her movement is, etc. Which is really nice. We got that. And then what we have left is a specific code, which is really cool. It's an anti-fake code, which has a little... how do you say that? A thing that you can open up with a coin. Shenzhen Starpery Technology Company Limited. That's pretty cool. If any problem, you can contact us by email on website or on the app. We will reply to you within 24 hours. Very nice. All right, then we go over to the Allen key, which is for your quick connect if you want to tighten it up. And then they also included two again, a quick connect and one that you have to twist and turn in. Again, I do think that you should put these in a separate bag because of the oils that can come off of it. All right, next up is the head. We're gonna open up the head. She's still protected very well. Oh, nice. Okay, so there's a wig cap, or a wig cap is protection for the wig that they always have. If you buy a wig, there's this black little net around it. They've done that with the hair and also a face shield, which is really nice. So that's good. There's also a lot of space in between the face shields. So let me show you guys real quick how that looks. As you can see right here. See? I'm not touching her head, so that means that her face has completely been protected, which is a very nice touch if you ask me. I just took off the net and then carefully take off the face shield. Put it over at the foam area. Whoa! Sorry about that. Wow, her head and her face, they look amazing. This is actually one of the company's first time that I see that the eyes have been placed almost straight, and also that her teeth that are in her mouth are completely white. So the person that also did the sculpting slash painting of her head slash face is amazing. Did a very good job. You can, of course, put the eyes a little bit more straight if you need to, but she looks beautiful. So I can't actually wait to put her on the body and see what she looks like in some nice bikini slash lingerie. Her hair is implanted, as you can see, which is masterfully done. So yeah, again, very cool from Starpery. This is her mold in the foam area of the box. It's very detailed. And that's nice when Companies like this take extra care in the packaging. So again, Starpery, very nice job. Look how gorgeous she has been made. I'm gonna take you now on a POV tour. Look at the bikini line. Again, I've chosen her from the specs from the website. Again, look at her chest upper area as well. Very nicely done regarding, as you can see, the bikini line here and there as well. And then look at this. If you just look at this without the shadow now, it's so realistic. It's insane. Might as well just record this while I'm doing this. They have specific tape around here, which is easy to take off, as you can see. That's also very nice. They use painter's tape, which is very nice to remove because it doesn't take so much hassle. There are tiny skeletons in the feet. We can move the toes again. All right, so let's open up the other one. And again, also seems to be looking good. Again, toes that are movable. This is what the bottom of the feet look like. Very realistic. And here as well, they are looking immaculate. Immaculate toes, immaculate feet. They just look very nice. Very detailed. And just very beautiful to look at. Alright, and this is how she looks completely assembled. I had to get her pigtail out of the hair with her little hairband around it. As you can see on the camera very clearly, the bikini line, which is really nice. I did put the bikini in a different angle so you could see a little bit more. Her butt is sticking a little bit out to the back, so I still have to give her a little bit of a better posture, but that's difficult to do in the living room. Yeah, she looks phenomenal, especially with her blonde hair loose like this. Just very, very cool. Starpery did such a good job, and the collaboration with CloudCl has been effortless. You know, very good communication from both ends, also regarding shipping. And yeah, this is just really an amazing lady to join our collection again. It's actually the first company that has done this with the painter's tape, so I actually hope that other companies are going to do it as well. So here are her hands. Yeah, very easy to turn, which is very nice. Again, beautiful design. We have the knuckles, which work very well. It takes some getting used to. Depends on where you find the finger knuckle. But yeah, her hands look very good, or at least this one. Let's turn her palm around very gently. Very soft silicone, which is very nice, but also still very realistic, as you can see. Very soft. I don't really see a sock or anything, so that's really nice. I don't know how they did that with the mold, but it looks very good. So again, I have to really see where the knuckles are and how you can, oh, there's a hair there, how you can move them. You know, sometimes from transportation it can get a little bit cold, so you gotta warm up your lady first, if you know what I mean. And then again, there's nothing to see here on the wrist area. So let's go over to her wrist or her palm. Also, the body painting on her is just amazing. Look at all these little spots on her stomach and on her chest area. Just really like super duper realistic, very nicely done. You know, the sunspots, the blemishes. And then of course her face is very nice too. Her hair is not modeled perfectly yet. So we're going to put her up on the scale and see how much she weighs, even with her bikini on and her shoes and her socks. All right, we have her on the weighing scale leaning back, and she weighs 34 kilograms. All right, put her down and then put her feet back down and then let her lean against the wall. Just now it was 34.1 and now it's 34.3. But you get the idea. She weighs with her head and her shoes and her socks and her bikini on and her implanted hair around 34 kilograms. It's everything is very soft, very supple. And you can see it right here. When I press down on here, I can feel a little bit of the foam core, but it's not disturbing, or it's just, you know, it feels just super realistic. That's why this design is amazing. Just pick her up like a little bit of a bear hug, and there you go. It's actually super easy, but she doesn't weigh a lot at all. Again, the weighing scale says 34 kilograms, but when you pick her up like this, it really feels almost like 25. So there we go. Dual mold foaming technology. This involves simultaneously binding the doll's body mold and inner core mold to the skeleton during production to create a lightweight foamed inner foam. This results in an ultra soft and highly precise inner foam. By controlling the thickness of the foam mold, we can fine-tune the doll's overall weight to achieve the ideal balance of weight reduction and structural integrity. Flow groove technology. During foaming, predefined channels are developed to guide the flow, speed, and volume of liquid silicone, preventing compression or penetration of the foamed core. This ensures a lightweight yet soft doll without compromising durability. These technologies address two major challenges: eliminating inner core compression and avoiding silicone infiltration, resulting in dolls that are both lighter and softer than ever before.